Wait, I can explain.
Don't even bother, just be prepared to pay the fine.
Don't let this happen to you. I've got more shop safety tips coming your way next. A safe shop represents a better working environment for employees and a better buying experience for customers. Run down this checklist whenever you have your shop safety meetings to ensure you're complying with these hot button items. Number 1, all exhausts should be channeled to the outside and the shop should have adequate ventilation. Be sure to have a carbon monoxide alarm installed in the shop. Number 2, compressors should be inspected periodically and the tanks drained nightly to prevent rust buildup and a potential failure. Air lines should also be inspected and repaired as required. Number 3, portable tools should be inspected periodically to ensure they're in good working condition. Number 4, torches or any type of flame should not be used near a gas tank or any type of flammable material. Number 5, all pipes with compressed air must be strong enough to safely handle the internal pressure and must not be susceptible to rupture upon impact. PVC pipe is not suitable for shop air systems. Number 6,
I don't think all these tips are going to fit into one video.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Join us next time from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio to finish this checklist of hot button shop safety items.